Today I will give you several tips for driving in a rainy situation. First one is before you even enter the vehicle. Check your wipers. If you park your car under a tree, there might be little seeds or branches or leaves falls between the windshield that falls between the windshield wipers and the glass. It's extremely unpleasant when you start driving, it's raining outside, and you start seeing lanes that they leave untouched. First, it's annoying. Second, they kind of ruin your vision. This is unpleasant situation that you can avoid very easily before you even start the vehicle. Second, probably is the most important, is when you turn on the vehicle, you must get familiar with how to control your vehicle's ventilation system. Actually, it's quite simple. It's a must to put the air conditioning on. The air conditioner actually dries the air. Front window heater, rear window heater, and you're okay. You don't want to enter in that situation when your windows get foggy while you're driving. I've been in this situation several times and I don't want to be in it again. No matter how experienced driver you are, this situation scares the out of me. Turn on your lights. Yes, it's day, it's bright, but you need your lights. They're not for you. They are for your colleagues on the road. They need to see you. Everyone on the road must be able to see you. You are visible when you have lights. You will be surprised how much more visible. You will be surprised how less visible in a rainy day you are if you don't have your lights on. The headlights, they are not only for the drivers in front of you, they are also for the pedestrians. They need to see you when they cross the road. Please do not mistake your headlights, daylights, for your fog lights. Usually fog lights are forbidden if there is no fog. If you have manual shift vehicle or plenty of the automatic gear vehicles, they have the option to change the gear. This is good because another advice is to drive on low RPM. The water actually acts like a lubricant between the tires and the asphalt. Your tires might start to turn faster compared to the speeds of your vehicle, and once they lose connection with the asphalt, that's not good. So if you are with a manual or automatic that has this option, you can use it. If you see water on the road and it's big and it's quiet, please be careful. First, slow down. There may be no potholes to break your car in, but if it's deep, if it's like 20 centimeters deep, depends on your speed, this water may cause hydroplaning. Hydroplaning is actually when your vehicle becomes a boat. And again, this is very unpleasant moment to be in. So first, slow down and try to avoid this area. Don't you dare use cruise control while it's raining. Cruise control keeps on going. If you enter in an area with water, this situation is bad. Also, entering in the hydroplan with cruise control, the car keeps on going, and this is very bad. Don't steer left or right, don't push the pedal, don't brake, just let the pedal, let the car go. I will give you a bonus tip. While you're driving in a situation like this, as you can see, there is no rain right now. The rain stopped, but there is a lot of water that comes from the cars that go behind me, they go after me, they pass me by, especially trucks. So it's like almost like raining. In a situation like this, heating your mirrors, side mirrors, it's very helpful. If there is a massive rain, probably it will not help, but in a situation like this, actually it's very helpful. In a road like this, the standard is there's an angle that lets the water goes top right. So that means that there's a chance, the biggest chance to enter in a hydroplaning is if you drive in the top right, the slowest lane. But the good thing is that in this lane you're slower, so you're kind of already prepared for this situation. If you're driving in the fastest lane, the chance for this is lowest. But I've seen roads that are not made that well, and there's water in them too, and you're fast, and this is very, very risky. So probably the safest lane is the middle lane.